This is a walk-around and operation video for a 2015 Bobcat T590 skid steer. It is similar to Caterpillar, Kubota, Takeuchi, and more. This unit is 39,900 Canadian dollars. It has a 66 horsepower diesel engine with 3,500 hours and a 2,100 pound operating capacity. It has a manual attachment coupler, Bobcat, and Bobcat ACS controls, standard hand-foot controls or H-pattern controls. This skid steer has heat and AC and auxiliary hydraulics, 17 GPM standard. It is a 1-speed. The tracks are at 60%. This skid steer includes a bucket. This machine fires right up and operates as it should. It is a great landscaping or snow clearing unit located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. Please contact us for more information. www.edgeequipmentsales.com